Round 2, by the way. He's using it too. I can't believe Haus uses GameCube controller. What a throw.
Yeah. This is honestly embarrassing.
True. Especially for somebody who plays GameCube controller.
Yeah.
What's your thoughts on that?
I definitely was not the person who stole it.
Yep. Definitely.
I'm a TO. I can manipulate information however I want to make
True.
it look better. So it was not me that.
After this game, you can grab mine on my Switch.
Oh, we got followers?
This is so hype.
This is so hype.
Oh, okay. What's the,
It's
Oh.
it's teleported.
Gotcha. There we go.
Yeah, you can go. I can come. Oh yeah, you need to set up.
Do it. All right. We're waiting for. I don't know. Why does Zach like the Mayflash? That thing sucks.
I don't know. It could be the Switch, honestly.
It could be.
Because I don't think I've seen that happen on any other Switch.
Not as frequently, for sure. Oh. I'm gonna.
Alright, anyway, we started with the classic.
So
we are definitely starting with the classic. This is the
There we
most. This is as MSOE as it can get. Zach breaking everything. House and FridgeDuck on stream.
I think you're talking about you.
House off screen, off camera. He's been more in frame than he is. Yeah. Honestly, great job. Good. Whoever's the cinematographer on this really outdid themselves. Because like I always say this whenever like what? I say this all the time. I would much rather be looking at Ethan than House. Everybody says this. That's like an MSOE saying. And again, people just can't stop breaking the Switch. People just love messing with the Switch. And who can blame them? I hate House too. I want FridgeDuck to win this because
this is a new conspiracy.
Oh, will he do this? Oh, he did. I was expecting him to do the thing that MECC DeDeDe was doing when he got the thing stuck. He's eating the little crumbs. Ooh, he did not see the future. Unless the future was him dying, and then he saw it.
His fate was set from the start. FridgeDuck has to win.
Yeah. Okay, he's sharking.
DeDeDe cannot Shino stall in this game, sadly.
He should be able to.
He really should.
Give DeDeDe Vanish.
Give DeDeDe only a Shino stall. Don't let Sheep be able to do it.
How did he survive that? Yeah.
Oh man.
Just give him the most outlandish thing you could think of.
Just give DeDeDe something.
Give him Conqueror's Hockey for no reason. Yeah, give him the Eureka. What's the wrench called? Oh yeah. He just goes and then he teleports back to his teleporter or the spawn. Anyways, there's a game of Smash Bros going on.
Oh wow, yeah, that's why I'm here. There's a game.
Ooh, that was a good grab. That Smash
grab.
Bros brains away.
FridgeDuck
is keeping him out. Ooh, a little spacing though. Spacing error.
Commentator turns like House get in the touch.
Yeah.
There.
Go House.
Whoa, House!
Yeah, let's go House. Let's go House.
Let's go!
Okay, it's working. It's working.
There we go. The curse reverse.
Reverse perfect.
Oh, way.
They should. Yeah, they're gonna give him. They're gonna give DeDeDe crit mechanic. It's gonna be Black Flash.
Why can't DeDeDe use Malevolent Kitchen?
Yeah, DeDeDe's gonna activate his domain.
All right. FridgeDuck with a stock lead. Surprising control in this game.
DeDeDe's gonna hit him with the domain expansion return to Dreamland.
He's not getting out of this.
No. I mean, like, as long as he can hold on to the stock, this is very manageable for him.
Absolutely. This is very cool.
Okay.
Oh, good grab.
Okay. I like it. I like it. Ooh, little bit. Order will play. Ooh, spacing on that parry. Smash. He's going out for the kill. He's ready for this.
Haus wants it.
Ooh, Gordo though.
FridgeDuck has been very good
Oh,
about
and
being careful
he
about
passed
the
the
Monado
69% check mark.
It's over.
If he was at 69%, that would have been.
True,
all.
true. He almost had the power.
Ooh.
All right, even if stocks back up
Barely
here.
grazed him. 79% is not a lead though.
Absolutely.
Something about taking a stock, you can take a game. Doesn't really apply here, but. Oh, you know what? FridgeDuck.
Ooh!
That does that. Oh,
Wow!
God.
I did not think that would kill.
All right, now we got ourselves a set.
We have ourselves a real set.
All right, now we're gonna stop bullying Haus.
Commentator carry.
Yep. Ice him out.
Yo, no way. Picto chat? Insane.
Haus is gonna suffocate me in my sleep.
This is what you get for making me go out there.
I'm sure you could.
You could easily bully anyone on stream. All right, big game 2. Let's see if the Monado can Monday this time.
Yeah. If this was Monday, it'd be over.
If this were Monday, Haus,
Unless,
I mean, FridgeDuck would
unless
never
Donkey
see-
Kong was in play.
True. Donkey Kong wins everything.
Yeah.
Donkey Kong has no losing matchup.
On Monday.
On Monday.
That's big. 46.
What is that?
even
Oh,
mean?
yeah.
Shulk hates lasagna. Shulk.
Adrian
isn't-
forgot to take her meds
Shulk
again.
isn't a cat.
The conspiracy unravels.
Yeah, I think we're trying to figure this game out a little bit. Smash art coming out. Ooh. Okay, back throw. Smash art gone. Down smash not connecting.
Alright, we out here. Alrighty. Okay.
Commentator change.
Commentator, mid-set commentator change?
Yep.
Yeah. You go to like that.
Good counter pick. Ooh, crit.
Backslash?
Okay.
Alright.
Not gonna be able to get that edge guard. Going on stage, getting up down dim attack.
Misses up the edge guard.
Both characters could just die at a moment's notice right now.
Yeah.
That counter's not doing him any favors either.
Okay, the forward throw off stage.
Up B
Oh!
into the
Gordo
gains
Gordo
the ice.
coming in clutch.
ID back the ledge. How is he gonna deal with this? Oh, but
Aw.
he
Misses.
I was wishing on the punish too as well.
He's throwing out
Stock-
these moves like
these stock
crazy.
Ain't going anywhere anytime soon.
Oh, gets
That doesn't kill. He's
not
just
yet.
fat.
he's fat. Big boy.
You know what?
Oh, he's looking for
Something
something.
cool is about to happen.
Oh yeah.
Never mind.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Running off stage and edge guarding isn't cool?
Not when you're Shulk.
True.
Shulk's too big. Up there?
Up air,
No,
calling
no
out the
shield guard. No
backslash.
shield guard.
He knows? Okay, Gordo,
Just a tip.
just the tip. Yeah. What was this funny name? Stewart. I don't. I'll ask that.
Counter, that's like
Oh,
30,
he can see the
that's
future?
30% right there.
Oh, yeah.
That's a kill.
Yeah.
That does kill.
Okay.
Haus is dialed in. No one's bullying
Yeah.
him anymore. So
Yeah.
He's dialed
He is on lockdown. He's gamering.
in. No, I can't be biased. I can only be biased game 1.
True. Yeah, that
No.
Haus makes the comeback. He's the underdog here.
You got that dog in.
You got that dog in
Oh,
him.
never mind.
I mean, FridgeDuck got that dog in him too.
FridgeDuck got that penguin.
He got that penguin. He ducking.
No, he got that duck in his fridge.
He's making a
Ooh,
turducken.
that
Ooh,
interaction.
big damage.
Uh,
Oh my god. Oh, FridgeDuck Lord drop.
New FridgeDuck
Oh,
Lord. Shield
and
art,
the up
a
air
little late,
again.
though.
Alright, last stock. Is this gonna be the upset of the century?
73.
73?
Not looking good. Not a good position
Okay.
for.
Oh,
Yeah,
gets the
catch
backslash off
He's got
stage.
rage, though.
Very
He's got
scary.
rage. He's an angry little bird.
Oh,
Angry little flightless bird.
Oh,
the star.
the stars. He got the Lumas on his side. Oh, calls out the backslash.
Ooh, the Gordo snipe. Oh.
Gordo. Uh-oh.
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 Ooh.
Oh, Haus just barely making it out.
The DeDeDe
I mean, he
factor
probably would've
is
been fine.
definitely DeDeDe there.
Oh, DeDeDe coming in clutch.
Dash art coming out. Running out right now.
Oh,
barely in
may
time.
not matter.
Or does he have the recovery? No.
No, he probably could have
Game
canceled
3.
it.
Game 3. Game 3.
He probably could have canceled it.
Game 3.
Yeah, it happens. He still got game 3.
Nikki, you want to play our set? You want to play our set? What? Huh? Oh, you're right.
Alright. Oh, he's taking him to come. Wait, do we just not have Sora? That's so goated. We don't have Sora. Do you want Hollow Bastion? Alrighty. Alright, hype set. Already in
Actually, hype set.
Actually hype set.
Oh,
Alright.
we're on Kalos though.
Let's go. True.
Actually, hype set. Here we go.
Yeah. No way. Okay. Alright. Haus already off with a huge damage. You can see the future. Oh. Oh,
look at that.
not getting that up smash read today. No, sir.
It would have been.
Still piling on the percent. That forward air coming in. Got the.
Oh, he cancels it. Oh.
He's safe!
Oh.
He's safe! Okay, the backslash.
Alright. It's not over.
Okay. Polar starting to come back a bit. Or, oh, and the backslash whiff.
Almost got hit by the Gordo.
Yeah. Throwing out moves like crazy. Oh, I think he wanted that grab.
I wonder if he was going for the stick. I didn't hear he did.
Oh my god.
This insane neutral, even I wasn't
Insane.
expecting that option.
Yeah, he's been taking his notes. Oh, and the
oh,
up air
that
call
was
out?
a good up
Taking
air.
the stock? Alright.
FridgeDuck turned this around.
Yeah. Oh, and then the air slash whiff. Okay. Up air. Oh, Haus taking it, but he still got that extra credit. Still anyone's game though. Back air. Okay. The spot dodge. Okay. Okay, Shulk with speed art here. Okay. You can never count DeDeDe out. He always got something. Okay. Tries to suck. Whiffs the punish on that air slash. That's okay. Okay. Okay, Buster out. Oh! Okay, yeah, gets him in shield art. Backslash reflecting the Gordo. Reflecting. What did you think I said?
Oh, get in the stick. Could it matter?
Oh. Oh my god, Gordo coming in flood, doing work? Okay. Gordo, what? Oh my god, I can't be on stream anymore with you guys.
Seth, you need to focus.
Yeah. This is how he focuses. Oh, and the back air? Alright, anyone's game?
Just distract your
Final
opponent
stock.
by just
All
like,
right.
the most random things that come to your
Okay.
mind.
Alright, he's cooking.
Oh, he is cooking.
There,
He is
he's
cooking.
cooking.
Actually, hype set.
Okay. Zach not coming back. Not gonna let him happen. He's locked in. The down smash. The suck. Misses the.
Oh my god, shut up.
I will.
This is
Okay.
an actually hype set, okay?
We're alright. Excuse me, princess. Okay, misses the down air. Keeping the solid advantage state. The F smash? Not yet.
Hold on, hold your
Oh.
applause.
Okay, FridgeDuck got a bit of an advantage. Not yet. They're just. Haus really looking to secure that kill.
Oh, yeah, that doesn't. Yeah.
Buster art. Oh my god, this is so intense. Oh, he's got. Oh my god.
Okay.
Up air? He's in shield art, he's fine. Okay, shield art gone. The back throw? Okay. Oh my god.
Should be up there. Oh, that's
The back air, not killing yet. DeDeDe living.
And no.
Oh, tries to go for the 2-frame.
And
and the back air.
Will.
Back where? Holy shit.
Alright, that was.
Tense game.
It's a good result.
Whew.